Oh, here we go. Your question. Okay. Halacha number 6. And it says that Tachanun is not recited in a synagogue in which circumcision is taking place. So even though the circumcision would be later, so we still don't say Tachanun, or in a synagogue where the father of the infant, or the one who holds the baby during the circumcision, the sandak, or the moil, are praying. So basically, even the circumcision would be in a later on, even in different day, in different place, let's say, right? So we still don't say Tachanun, but this person have to inform the Gabbai or Rabbi of the shul that I'm a sandak, I'm a moil, I'm this, or I'm a father of the baby. So people need to know. This exemption from the Tachanun applies even if the circumcision will be held in another house. So as we just said, it does not matter. It's we go by the person who is here, not by place. Actually, by place also. I apologize. By place also, we'll see. As they are principal parties to the circumcision, meaning 3 people, right? Meaning what? The father, the sandak, the one who holds the baby during circumcision, and more. So 3 main figures. One more time. If they are, as they are principal parties to the circumcision, their presence is a source of celebration. Thus, the minyan at which they pray is exempt from reciting Tachanun. So, let's see, continue. Okay, continue. Similarly, if minyan praying and mincha source at home of the infant prior to the circumcision feast, during the circumcision feast, Tachanun is not recited there as well. So it's very interesting. So it was after they did the circumcision in the morning, but usually, especially in Israel, they have the celebration like in the afternoon. So people can come after work and stuff like that. So they would daven mincha before they start the seudah, right? The meal. And they don't say the Tachanun there either. Okay, which is good, I guess. To know, but because why? Because there is still a feast, right? There is still some celebration. However, if they pray mincha after the conclusion of Birchas Hamazon, okay, the supper of the circumcision feast, they should recite Tachanun. Okay, so only until the mitzvah is done, or before the mincha. So that's when we don't say. But if after the whole celebration, if they ate, they said Birchas Hamazon. So we actually should say Tachanun. However, the father and sandak and moil should not recite Tachanun. So they're not already main figures because the celebration has passed, right? But for us, but for them, they don't say Tachanun. Even after Birchas Hamazon is said. So for them, there is no Tachanun for the whole day, because it is a holiday for them. Commentary. Although the celebration concludes for the guest with the recitation of Birchas Hamazon at the end of the celebratory meal, for the principal parties, it continues until the end, the day's end. So, which makes sense. So, for all of us, it's only until the end of the Birchas Hamazon. I mean, technically, for all of us, I mean, in US, what we do, we say this: we do circumcision in the morning, have meal. So, I mean, if you go to normal shul, so you can go to work like half an hour late. Basically, you ate. Some people take together to go and stuff like that. So, okay. So after you say Birchas Hamazon, that's it. So the way I understand, if you took it to go, that's it. For mincha, you already say the Tachanun, unless your father or moil or Sunday.
Rabbi, so just to be clear, if it's, let's say, Shachris and it's at mincha, right? Let's say 3-4 hours in between, right? I don't say it by Shachris either.
So I said, apologize. Say it again.
If I'm the one davening with the sandak, okay, at Shachris, and let's say it's 3-4 hours before the bris, right?
Yeah.
I still don't say Tachanun?
Don't say.
Okay. So when we say at the day's end, are we saying at Ma'ariv? At Ma'ariv I do say it? Oh wait, no, never mind.
That means after they did the circumcision, that's it. It's not for us. There is no more holiday. I participated and they did my mitzvah. That's it. The boy was circumcised, but for him, if he's a father, it's continue the whole day. So it's different criteria. Yeah.
Can you have a circumcision at Ma'ariv or no? At night.
We have to see. I think at night we don't do, but maybe like before Chatzois, maybe after Chatzois a little. I'm not sure, but at night I don't think we do.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not halach. Yeah.
Over here, when we say days end, we're talking about like a Jewish day, Ma'ariv.
Yes, yeah. So, but as we said, for me, since I was a guest. Once they finished the Birkas Hamazon, that's it. For me, celebration ended. I went to different minyan, that's it. But for this guy, for his father, he went to different minyan, let's say for Mincha, right? So he does not say Tachanun. And we said, I had these cases in my office where I used to work. So like people, many people from different companies and from different backgrounds, basically we hardly know each other's name. You understand? You know everybody's face, but you don't know their names. Okay, so it's very interesting. And people come and say, you know what? It was a circumcision today, so I didn't say Tachanun, so because of this and that. Okay. Or here, there were a few times when those people were mourners, and they were were chazanim, right? But the guy say, I cannot be chazan because. Today, I cannot say Tachanun because today's was a bris of my son. Okay.